हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू ट्रैवल फ्रिक। अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं पृथ्वी रेस्टोरेंट आईटीसी ग्रैंड भारत में डिनर करने। और यहाँ पर अभी बफ़े डिनर चल रहा है। हम लोगों ने बफ़े डिनर के लिए ऑप्ट किया है। सो दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज़ ओनली सर्विंग बफ़े डिनर एंड देयर आर अदर रेस्टोरेंट्स which are serving a la carte, both Indian as well as continental dishes, but this restaurant is only serving a multi cuisine buffet. As you can see, हम लोगों का डिनर लगभग हो चुका है। वी आर इन द फाइनल फेज ऑफ द डिनर और मोस्टली डेज़र्ट चल रहा है। यू कैन सी अ फुल प्लेट ऑफ डेज़र्ट यहाँ पर। और इसमें पेस्ट्री है, इसमें रसमलाई है, देन देयर इज़ सम काइंड ऑफ फिरनी, and this glass has sort of a syrupy thing and with fruit topping like kiwi, marshmallow and other things. So all are very tasty. And among Indian sweets there is rasgulla, rasmalai, and also in the counter I have seen gulab jamun. So dessert इज़ वेरी नाइस। हमने डेज़र्ट से आपको दिखाना चालू किया क्योंकि हमने अपना डिनर अभी कर लिया है ऑलमोस्ट। सो यू कैन सी दिस इज़ अ वेरी बिग हॉल दे हैव कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ रेस्टोरेंट। सो यू कैन सी देयर इज़ अ huge, four huge chandeliers here in this room, and this room has a capacity of not less than 200 to 300 people at a time can dine here. So the restaurant name is Prithvi, just to uh, let you know. And now what we are going to do is that I'll stop talking because there are a lot of people dining here. So I'll just go over the different counters and show you the different food that is being served. Are you done with your food? Are you done with your food? How was the food? How is your experience? So it's your birthday today, right? So how was your birthday dinner?
I love it.
Now name one dish that you really liked in this Prithvi restaurant ITC Grand Bharat. The cheesecake?
Yeah.
Okay, that's in the dessert, absolutely fine. And what else in the other among the other items? Anything else?
Well, I certainly like corns.
Oh, the corn, the corn they served in a small bowl.
Yeah.
ओके, सो अभी मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ काउंटर बाय काउंटर आप लोगों को दिखाना कि क्या मिल रहा है। बट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है कमेंट्री नहीं कर पाऊँ, बट आई ट्राई टू शो यू फ्रॉम द सूप काउंटर क्या क्या मिल रहा है। सो ये इनका स्टार्टिंग है बुफे का। यहाँ पर यू कैन सी सूप है और डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ब्रेड्स इन्होंने रखा है, डिनर रोल्स एंड अदर टाइप ऑफ ब्रेड्स। Soup are of two kind. One is chicken soup, chicken manchow soup. Another is a veg soup. And then there are bread rolls. Okay, dinner rolls यहाँ भी रखा हुआ है. Okay, and these are different condiments like some kind of chutney, pyaz, all those things, onion, cut onions. These are all salads, small pasta salads, cut vegetables like tomato, all. This is also a salad counter. Mostly you can make your own salad out of these things with mayonnaise and other things. You can add pudina chutney, everything.
I need some chutney.
This is a kebab counter. They have several kind of kebabs like chicken kebab, paneer kebab, mutton kebab, hara bhara kebab. So basically they make what you order for. So they have kind of semi-ready stuff kept here, and whatever you order they will just put on the tawa and made it available to you within 5 minutes. This is a burger and French fry counter. This is a Pan Asian counter with some, you can see, Oriental inspiration. So this is some kind of steamed rice, some Chinese items are there, Manchurian, veg Manchurian, etc. And then from here this is a pav bhaji counter, something little bit unusual in a dinner buffet, but that's a good addition. They have authentic pav bhaji, chapati pav bhaji. Then these are all Indian dishes like paneer. I'm not showing very much in detail because these are all usual Indian dishes like paneer, dal makhni, etc. Then chicken and biryani is over here. They have chicken and mutton biryani. This is a continental counter with grilled fish, etc. And that is a pizza counter. And this is the Indian dessert counter. Then they have Western dessert counter. And इसी के साथ ये more or less ख़त्म होता है. So ये entire area का view आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. This is the entire dining area. And so the buffet here is pretty good as I felt. They have good variety, and price wise this is 2500 plus taxes for adults and 1500 plus tax for the kids below 12 years. So this is pretty good, and I feel you get a good variety of Indian, Western as well as Oriental cuisine in one place. And this is a place worth visiting at least once. The place is big, well decorated, and the food is reasonably good, I would say. So thank you guys for watching. Do come here if you are here in Manesar sometime. Thank you. Bye.